Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to print all integers that are not divisible by either 2 or 3. So let's start it. Here in the first line, this defines a function named print not divisible by 2 or 3 that takes two parameters start and end, representing the range of integers to analyze. It encapsulates the logic for finding and printing integers in the range from starting to end that are not divisible by 2 or either 3. Now, in the next line, it uses an F string to format and print a descriptive message that includes the value of starting and ending. It provides context to the user about what the function will output. Now, in the next line, this iterates through each integer num in the range start to end. The range function generates numbers from start to end inclusively because of n plus 1. Here, it ensures each number in the specified range is checked. Now let's move on to the next line. Here it uses the module operator to check divisibility, like number percentage 2 not equals to 0, true if number is not divisible by 2, means not even, and number percentage 3 not is equals to 0, true if number is not divisible by 3. The AND operator ensures both conditions are true. It identifies numbers that are either divisible by 2 nor by 3. Now, in the next line, it prints the current number num that meets the conditions with a space instead of a new line. This outputs the result on a single line for a better readability. Here in the next line, it adds a new line after all numbers have been printed, ensuring the output is visually clean, and concludes the function's output formatting. Here in the next line, this prompts the user to input the starting of the range, and in this line it prompts the user to enter the ending of the range. Now in the last line, this calls the print not divisible by 2 or 3 function that the user provided start and end values. The main purpose of this line is to execute the logic defined in the function with the specified range. So now let's check this program. I'm entering the starting range. Now I'm entering the ending range. Hence, integers between 12 and 45 not divisible by 2 or 3 are displayed in the next line. So, thanks for watching this video.